Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to take a screenshot without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the convenience tool. Now just go here to the gestures and motion section, and as can you see here we got the two switchers, they are turned off. We'll just turn on these switchers right now, and as can you see we can take a screenshot by swapping down with our three fingers. And as can you see we got here this screenshot, and also we can by touch and holding with our three fingers on the screen we can take a screenshot by this way. And you can change the size of your screen if you want. Also you can change the form. Here you can just make screen by this way. Also you can edit this screenshot, you can send it. Just tap here OK, and right now you can find your screenshots here on the gallery photos app. As can you see we got here all our previously taken screenshots. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.